Guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch to React, and today I'm going to talk about some top Sketch to React pro tips. I have some here in this book here, and let's start with, these are not in a certain order or anything like that, just something here. Let's start with the extremely clever thing of using icon fonts with our framework. So how do you use icon fonts? One way of doing this, for example, what you see here is Flaticon icons, and Flaticon is a great service that I use. For example, you create a collection of monocolor icons if you're going to use them like this and be able to recolor them with code directly inside of Sketch, of course. I mean, everything here is controlled here. So you create your little collection here, and you download this as a icon font file. What you get is a folder. Let me check it out. I'm going to show you. Here it is. You get, if you just download as a pack, you get everything. PNGs, blah blah blah. What you need is this one, font. All of these things here need to be put on a folder on your server. Then this one you need to install, the TTF you need to install on your computer. What happens then is, if you open Fontbook, for example, you have a new font called Flaticon, and in this font you have the things you put together here. That is awesome. And what you can do then is you just copy paste from Fontbook. Say that we love this one here. You copy to clipboard. You go into Sketch. Where is Sketch? There is Sketch. And I have already set this up. Of course, this is a cooking program. Like that. And boom. And let's check this out in code. Here's our awesome Lodge thing here, and you can change the color of it. This is vector all the way. Remember to include the external asset file here and the file path. This is on our server, so this is what you need. All you need to do: install the font on your computer to be able to do this. Upload all of these files to your server and copy the file path to this one, and you're good to go. That's it. That's my first pro tip. Cheers.